Hey y'all peoples. Dalayna's gonna do her animal sounds. We've got 4 of them.
Okay, which one should I do first?
Start with your wildcat. Start with your wildcat. Alright, now she's gonna do manatee.
Well, I was that one again. That's not a...
No, that's the dying walrus.
Oh, that's...
The other one's like, ah!
Okay, that's my dying walrus. This is the manatee's like.
And here's her dolphin, her dying dolphin.
Yes, Dalayna just did that. She went there.
I'm epic. And don't forget about a dog.
Yes, you guys, this is recording.
I know.
We're missing Becca. Where'd she go?
Do you know what I love the most about you?
Okay.
Your wildcat.
You just got turned on. Missing it.
You're right.
Who doesn't get turned on by the thing?
Me. Me.
I don't want to say it too loud.
I'm still recording.
We're good, we're good.
That's okay.
Okay, recording off.